Hello everyone, my name is RUSLIE and I'm gonna be your cabin crew for today's vlog. So I'm currently here in Vienna and I just wanna give you a quick hotel room tour. So this is the entrance and my full-length mirror. And this is the toilet. As you can see, there's a walk-in closet here. Super nice, so fancy. Although I don't have a bathtub, but it's super nice. All black. And this one is, you can see someone's showering if yung blind is like fully up. And this is the bed. So nice. The study area. And ito yung blinds. Ng shower. Diba, so weird. You can see someone showering. I love this headboard or bed frame. I don't know kung ano man tawag sa kanya, pero I love it. And the window is super big. Like floor to ceiling windows. And it's not the city center, but there's a lot of buildings here. Baka mga office. I don't know. Here's a better view of the bed. So nice. And guys, I live for these things. Yung mga hotel na merong ganito sa bedside. Kasi it's so convenient. You don't have to get up from your bed. See, you can control the AC from here and the lights. So convenient. And the complimentary water. Good morning, everyone. Actually, it's afternoon na pala. I'm really not a morning person. And I just made a coffee for myself using the Nespresso machine. I actually don't know how to use it. So, ni-YouTube ko na lang. And I ordered room service. Just chicken burger with fries. Tada! No mayonnaise and ketchup because I don't eat mayo and ketchup. Tapos, inask ko if okay lang walang mayo and ketchup yung burger. But they still gave me mayo and ketchup. What to do? And the complimentary water na napakalaki. So big. My room is super pretty. Look. I wanna have my own place soon, char. As if I can afford. I mean, I want it to look like this. So pretty. Oops, sorry. And I just really love floor-to-ceiling windows. Look. So nice. Amazing. I think this is an emergency exit. Char. Ewan ko. Feeling ko. Kasya naman ako dyan. Char. And look at Vienna from afar. Did not go anywhere kasi I just came here 2 weeks ago. And actually, plan ko talaga lumabas. I wanna buy coats. Kaso, may minimum amount yung tax refund. I'm not planning to spend 75 euros. And baka mahassle lang ako sa tax refund kasi I have to do it at the airport and I don't have to go there. I mean, I don't have time to go there right now. And if I do it later, before the flight, baka mahassle lang din yung crew with me. So, I just stayed here in my room. I'm watching Mamma Mia too. And maybe later I'll go to the gym for real na this time. I'll try to take some clips while doing some workouts. Maybe after this. After my brunch. Bye, see you later. And so I'm planning to go to the gym. Like this. Sana hindi aircon yung gym kasi for sure halamigin ako. Bye. At the elevator right now. The gym is at the 14th floor. Oh, so taas. Takot ako sa heights. Shit. Sana walang tao. So here's the gym. There's a toilet over there. A lot of towels. There. A treadmill. What's this? Bicycle. Yay. There's an elliptical. And some weights. Bench. Ano to? I don't know. Mga to. There you go. Buti na lang walang tao. Here. Walang tao. And buti na lang may water dispenser and some towels there kasi wala akong dala. Just take a look at this view. So nice. Hello guys. Finally done with my 30 minutes workout and I took an apple from the gym. Healthy living jar. Actually, nahiya na ako kasi may tao na sa gym kanina kasi ako lang. Kaya dito na lang ako mag-exercise with my leg raises para magka-abs jar. Good evening everyone. So, right now we're just gonna have dinner, pizza margarita, and Ferrari tomato and mayonnaise. Just gonna have dinner before the flight, but I have energy and I'm almost ready. Just not wearing my uniform yet. And it's gonna be a full flight for us, so I ordered something before going down later. And yes, I'm wearing makeup na. Just don't have lipstick because I'm gonna brush my teeth later. And yep, mascara, blush, foundation, just the basic makeup for my company requirements. And that's it for this vlog. See you next time. Bye.